front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on System section called System Management. Now, to access keyboard settings, choose Input Method and then G-Bird. Following that, click on Corrections and Suggestions to manage all of those options however you want to. Quick tip though, I always recommend to scroll and enable Suggestion Strip when you click on the switcher to turn it blue, and then launch your keyboard. You will see all of those options appear at the top of it. Now, thanks to gear icon, you can access keyboard settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!